Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail haul for you all, and I'm so excited. It's a little bit of things from Amazon, Aliexpress, and I believe that's it. And here I'm just starting off with the Macart nail prep kit, and I was a little bit disappointed just because I purchased this through Amazon thinking I was going to get a certain packaging, but they ended up giving me this packaging, and then when I tried to return it, there was a no return policy. So I don't know why, but okay. I know this is packaging, but that's literally the reason why I ordered it in the first place. But it is what it is. At least they're big bottles. They're 15 milliliters each, so that's great, and I can't wait to try them out. Now we're moving on to this Rosalind dip powder, and I did choose this sparkly gold one, and I will be showing you guys exactly the way that it looks. I will be swatching it for you all like I had mentioned in my past hauls. I will start incorporating me testing out the products as well to see if they're even worthy of purchasing in the first place. And I want you guys to see the way it looks, if you'd be interested in purchasing, and like I said, if it's even worth it to begin with. So here I'm just using a base coat from a dip kit from Savvyland, and I'm just going to be placing it into the dip powder. And then since the swatch is so long, I'm just going to be going in with a cuticle pusher to finish applying the dip powder on, and then I'll be showing you guys the way it looks. So this is how it looks. It's absolutely beautiful. Now we're moving on to these nail charms. This is what I was really excited for about this entire haul, and I had been waiting to show you guys. So I brought a bunch of charms. So I've purchased a lot of charms through AliExpress, and these charms are the ones with the little hoop for you can drill into the nail. I'll show you guys everything because I'm not really that great at explaining things, but the little charms that hang from the nails. So I really wanted to get my hands on these, and I just decided, you know what, let me just go on AliExpress, buy a bunch of these, show you guys how it's done and all, just in case you're confused as to what I'm saying. So yeah, here I'm just going to show you briefly some of the nail charms, and then I'll show you how it would be applied onto a nail. So this is the tool that you use to drill the hole into the nail, and I did purchase this through AliExpress. I did show it in my past haul as well. So I really like how, you know, you unscrew it, you know, for safety purposes, and then you can screw it back on. So here I'm literally just going directly onto the nail and screwing it all the way until it creates a hole, and then I'll be going in and showing you guys the little hoops, which is this right here that I did show in my past haul as well. And I'm just going to be opening it up and placing the charm onto it and then onto the nail. You do need pliers for this, but I didn't have any. I still have to purchase them, but I'm just showing you a little example here for you guys understand more what I was trying to say before. So here I'm just placing the little hoop on, and this is exactly what it looks like. So I cannot wait to start doing looks with these little charms because they look so pretty. And now I'm just showing you all the ones that I decided to purchase through AliExpress. I will have everything linked down below for you all if you're interested in purchasing anything you guys saw today. So next we're moving on to some water decals, and these are really beautiful. There's some gold and silver ones, and I really loved the designs. I did get this through Amazon, and I will have everything linked down below for you all. And I just thought these stickers were very beautiful and dainty, and I can't wait to use them. So next we're just moving on to this pack of rhinestones, and I always like collecting rhinestones. These are more on like the copper side. They're like copperish, something like that. But yeah, you guys will see everything that it includes, and I always like to stock up on rhinestones because you just can never have enough. So yeah, here I'm just gonna be showing you everything it includes. Here I'm showing you this base coat and top coat set, and they are 10 milliliters each bottle, which is a great size. And I love how the top coat is no wipe top. It's a no wipe top coat, and I love those the most. So I believe this was either $2.99 or $3.99 through Amazon, and I just always love checking out new base coats and top coats. I really do it for the top coats, but yeah. So here we're moving on to some Beetles nail tips, and these are half nail tips. Not the half cover, they're just regular nail tips. So here I'm just showing you guys how they look, and I absolutely love these. They're so nice. Next we're moving on to these scissors that I've really been wanting since I probably started my YouTube channel, and I finally came around purchasing them through Aliexpress. And they're just super cute. It's like a bird, and it's a scissor. It's a scissor in shape of a bird. That makes more sense. So I'm just showing you guys here what it looks like, and it is in gold, and I will be showing you if it works or not. So here I'm using a lint-free wipe, and as you guys can see, it went right through it and it cut just fine. And now I'm using a thank you card, And as you guys can see, it cut right through it just fine. So they are definitely great. This is from a small business shop from Etsy, and I just love always going on there and just supporting people's small businesses. So here, this is a set of 4 of acrylic powders, because I did say I do plan to do acrylic sometime in the future. So here I'm just going to show you everything that it brought, like how the acrylic set looks, and I thought it was super pretty. So yeah. So next we're moving on to this abstract stamping plate with the faces, and I absolutely loved it. I'm so happy I came across it. I did purchase this through Aliexpress, and I will be showing you guys if it works or not. So I went ahead and got a full coverage nail and placed it on a nail stand, and now I'm just buffing out my stamper because I did try it off camera and it was not working. So after I did this, it did work, and I did use like a game time card because I lost my scraper. I do have to repurchase one. I could not find it. So as you guys can see, it worked beautifully, and I'm glad that this stamper, it works. So I definitely recommend you guys purchase it. And now I'm going to be showing you how it looks on the nail. And as you guys can see, it worked. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time.